Sup guys, Ovodov here. So we just had pretty big dump in crypto, like everything is in the red now. If we look at the Bitcoin, we can see it happened around like 1 hour ago. And we went from 23.4k all the way down to 22k. Now we trading around 22.3k. So obviously all crypto went down with the Bitcoin, and coincidentally or not, at the same time, Coinbase went down. If we check their Twitter 58 minutes ago, Coinbase support wrote that we're experiencing degraded performance for Coinbase.com, Exchange, and Prime. You may see connectivity issues, errors across these products. Our team are working to resolve this as soon as possible. We'll circle back here as soon as we have an update. Then there was an update in 18 minutes from there, and 25 minutes ago they actually said that services have made a full recovery and operated normally. So is this a coincidence? I don't know. Potentially, but this giant red candle, actually, if we look at liquidations, it caused a huge number of long position liquidations, around like 200 million in long position liquidations, just there. Well, the first question here, could Coinbase be the cause or the symptom of that sell-off? There could be any number of reasons, honestly, because like today we also had pretty dire news about the Silvergate. The Silvergate is down almost 58% for the day. They couldn't provide the report, and they also said that they may be in the really bad financial position. So obviously like the market reacted immediately. The problem is on how it's tied with crypto, that Silvergate is the bank that a lot of crypto exchanges and firms that deal with crypto used. So we don't know how much of an effect it's going to have on the crypto market, whether or not they're actually having some crypto assets themselves. If they do, it may cause like further liquidation of these assets. Hopefully they either don't have any, or they will not be forced to sell them, because it will add to the selling pressure. Also, there are a lot of news, and they just keep coming about the SEC like attacking certain like crypto firms, centralized exchanges making claims, etc., etc. So that doesn't help. I think in general SEC just like throwing shit against the wall to see what sticks, and it's a long process, and we're gonna see how it unveils. So like just bad news for crypto just keep coming and coming, and I think potentially this March and April and potentially like May can be also bearish. And we actually may see more selling pressure soon, because the Mt. Gox funds will be paid starting from March 10th. They will not be paid obviously all at once. This process will take place for several months and should be done by the end of September. However, since not all the funds will be paid in Bitcoin, one can actually argue and speculate that the trustee of the fund may start selling Bitcoin now to get cash, to pay this cash, and also some people who choose to get money in the Bitcoin. We don't know how much they will be putting on the market and how much they will be selling. So again, we yet to see that. We can only speculate. All we know, it's a pretty big sum of money that can potentially affect the market. And also on top of that, we all know that Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is coming, and it will unlock the staked ETH that was staked previously, and when the Shanghai upgrade rolls out, they can unstake that ETH and sell it potentially. So some people are actually fearful that this will cause more selling pressure. And the Shanghai upgrade was pushed to early April. So before that happens, we're actually getting a lot of economic data like CPI that can potentially change the outlook of the inflation, and maybe a slight shift in the Fed's policy. Anyway, we're gonna see how all this unveils. I think the March will be really interesting. I would be very cautious on the current market. Again, not a financial advice. Always do your own research. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.